Hey, what's going on everyone? This is Jono here, and I just want to make this quick video for you guys to show you something really awesome that happened this morning. Now, a couple of days ago, I made a demo of Octane to show people how easy it is to rank for high competition keywords. And that was only supposed to be a demo to show people how to rank. But I woke up this morning, as I did, I logged into my ClickBank account, and you could see that I got this commission of $181. I thought, okay, where did that come from? Because I haven't been promoting on ClickBank for a while. And then I got this message from John Cristani, who's asking for if my ClickBank ID is Jono2690, which it is. So I thought, okay, maybe this commission has come through from this experiment that I did, this ranking experiment that I did for Octane a couple of days ago. So he confirmed that it is, and I've made a sale of this, of John Cristani's super affiliate system. Now, here's the original video that I made using Octane. You see, I didn't actually make any video. I just took one of John Cristani's videos, ran it through Octane, added a couple of seconds to the end of it so it was unique, and then I uploaded it using Octane and it live streamed it to YouTube to get me this page 1 ranking. Now, originally it was in the number 3 spot. It's fallen down to the 6th position now, but I'm still on the first page. And this is all possible because of Octane. So I'm super pumped about this, because I've not only made a ranking case study using Octane, but I've also got some monetary proof. Now, I only uploaded this 2 days ago, and I've already made $200. Now, anybody can do this. Anybody can use Octane to do this. They don't need to put their face on camera. They don't need to use any technical video editors or anything. I used Octane to make this video and rank it onto YouTube. Any of your customers can do exactly the same and expect results like this from ClickBank. So I'm super pumped about this launch. I urge you, if you are supporting, go and show this exact video, show this exact case study to your subscribers, to your customers, because now pretty much anybody can start making money online using this system. So we're launching on Saturday, the 23rd of February. Anybody who's involved in this is going to make some really good money, and anybody who buys this is also going to make some really good money, so it's a win-win situation. So we'll see you on Saturday, the 23rd of February. There's a link down below in this post where you can access your links. You can jump onto the JV page and get everything that you need. So we'll see you there. All the best. Bye.